Hello everybody, this is the shortcut for tricarboxylic acid cycle or TCA cycle. Since this cycle was discovered by Sir Hans Krebs, it is also known as Krebs cycle, and since as citric acid is their first product, so it is also known as citric acid cycle. So citric acid, the first product, is formed as a result of reaction between oxaloacetic acid, that is 4-carbon compound, with acetyl coenzyme A. This whole cycle takes place in mitochondria. This is a respiratory pathway for aerobic respiration. Now if you want me to do more of this type of cycles, you have to follow me, you have to subscribe my channel, and please do subscribe my channel. So citric acid is formed 2 carbon plus 4 carbon to give 6 carbon compound, citric acid. Citric acid gives isocitric acid. From isocitric acid, a dehydrogenation occurs and carbon dioxide goes off. So from 6 carbon compound it forms a 5 carbon compound, that is alpha ketoglutaric acid. Again it liberates 1 carbon dioxide to give a 4 carbon compound, that is succinyl coenzyme A. From succinyl coenzyme A, succinate or succinic acid is formed, that is also a 4 carbon compound. All of these are 4 carbon compounds only that I am telling. From succinic acid, fumaric acid is formed. From fumaric acid, malic acid is formed. From there, oxaloacetic acid is formed, which is also a 4 carbon compound. Now, in order to remember this whole cycle, you have to remember this mnemonics. As for example, cold in Kolkata, so sweet for many outsiders. The first C comes for citric acid. In isocitric acid, the K comes for alpha ketoglutaric acid, this K. So sweet. Succinyl coenzyme is one S, another S for succinate. Then for many outsiders. For is fumaric acid, then malic acid, then oxaloacetic acid. Then we come to another shortcuts for enzymes over here. Soon after dancing, Donna slipped down from door. Here all the D's are for dehydrogenase enzymes. All the D's. A is for aconitase and S are for synthetase or synthase. Here F means for fumarase. Now we are coming back here. Coming to S. S means citric acid synthetase or citrate synthase. After that we come to aconitase. Then dancing. Dancing is a dehydrogenase enzyme. Here there is a dehydrogenase enzyme taking part. Here also there is a dehydrogenase, because you can see NAD gives NADH and H+. This is dehydrogenase. Then coming to slipped. This is succinate synthetase. Over here it is again a dehydrogenase, because you can see again a hydrogen. Then come to fumarase. Then again a dehydrogenase. Over here you can see again a dehydrogenase reaction, because wherever you find NADH, FADH or NADH, you can easily know that there has to be a dehydrogenase enzyme. So this is a very good way to remember. I hope everybody liked the channel. Please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.